breaking news in the Bengaluru murder case. It's a Shraddha Walkar type murder case in Bengaluru that we broke on Saturday. We have now learnt that the cops have confirmed that the suspect is not a resident of Bengaluru and is an outsider. This is the latest coming in the murder case where the body of a woman was found chopped into at least 30 pieces in a refrigerator, and the landlord had informed the mother of the deceased that a foul smell was emanating from the house. And the latest that we are getting, I'm being joined by my colleague Sri Lakshmi from Republic Kannada. Sri Lakshmi, what is the latest that you have for us in this story?
Well, this case reminds us of Shraddha Walkar's murder case, wherein Shraddha Walkar's body was cut into 35 pieces. Here, Mahalakshmi, her body was also cut into 50 pieces and stuffed inside a refrigerator. And recently, police have recovered Mahalakshmi's mobile and conducting investigation for her last calls, social media chatting, and they are investigating her account details. And later on, they'll send the mobile to FSL investigation. And they're also investigating the family members of the accused. Mahalakshmi's estranged husband, she was separated from her husband 9 months back, and the husband has suspected that a person named as Ashraf from Nelamangala has done this murder. That's what her husband has suspected, and now police are investigating this case, and they have set a search for him, and it is said that he has eloped to West Bengal. Police have also reached his family members. And now here in Bengaluru, police have taken the refrigerator and they have sent it to FSL also, in which the Mahalakshmi's body was stuffed into pieces. And now it is also said that this Ashraf was a friend of Mahalakshmi, and the nature of their relationship is yet to be known. There were a couple of other friends also. Why did, if at all, the accused has conducted this murder, why did he, why has he done such a brutal act? It is yet to be known, and police are on an investigation.
Sri Lakshmi, please continue to stay with us. Another question that I have for you on this is whether we have the details of Mahalakshmi's life after separation from her husband. Where was she living? We have another breaking news, in fact, coming in on this story. I am being informed by our desk here that another breaking news is coming in. The NCW has taken cognizance of the murder of Mahalakshmi in Bengaluru. NCW has demanded arrest of all accused involved in the case. All right, Sri Lakshmi, coming back to you. Fast-paced developments taking place. If you could, coming back to the question, if you could take us through, the life of Mahalakshmi after she separated from her husband. Do we have any update on the developments? Is there any probe that is being conducted on the husband? Has he been questioned? And a little about the property and the area where she was living in.
Well, Suesha, it is said that after separating from her husband, she used to visit her husband once in a month or once in 25 days to see her daughter who used to stay with her husband. And her husband had lodged a complaint against this Mahalakshmi, saying that she comes and she frequently keeps asking for money, and she harassed him regarding that. there was quite number of incidences that where quite a lot of domestic violence had happened between the couple, and Mahalakshmi had also launched a complaint against her husband. It is said that she used to live separately from her family, even from her mother and from her husband's family. She used to work in an IT company, and she was having this friendship with this guy called Ashraf, who used to work in a salon near Nelamangala. It is said that he is from a different state, and Mahalakshmi's husband says that he had kept track of life happenings of Mahalakshmi, saying that he knew that this Ashraf was in in a relationship with Mahalakshmi, and this Ashraf used to visit Mahalakshmi, and her husband has also said that a few days back there was a quarrel between Mahalakshmi and Ashraf. So tentatively, Mahalakshmi's husband has also said that it is very much likely that this Ashraf has done this murder.
Right, Sri Lakshmi, thank you so much for that information. We will keep coming back to you as we continue to follow this story closely. We have a reaction also coming in from Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara. Let's listen in.
Yes, we've already collected a lot of information, lot of clues, and one individual has also been they say he's the one, but unless we collect more information, we can't really say. He's from West Bengal, they say. We'll say as early as possible we'll secure. And
so there's also information that a person is already in custody and is being interrogated?
No, people who are suspects, they bring them to police, they bring them and inquire them. If it is, if somebody accepts, yes, I am the one who did it, then they will take him to custody.
And let's take a look at the roundup of all the top stories from across the country.